Hi, I'm Blair, the course designer and facilitator for this course. I believe that marketing is an essential literacy for the 21st century, and this fuels my professional mission to help people like you develop themselves as marketers. I do this by creating relevant and rich marketing learning experiences, which includes designing learning that includes strategic thinking and practical doing, trying to spark a curiosity for marketing in some way with each of you, and enabling you to act as a more confident marketer. Now, before going any further, I really think it's important to state my top 3 beliefs and biases as a professor of marketing that will influence our time together. First, active learning is better than passive lecturing. Active learning gives you more ownership and forces your involvement in the instructional process. I will often direct you to readings, videos, and/or podcasts to learn the fundamentals versus having me explain or summarize them for you in a lecture. And I focus on using our time together to discuss questions and complete relevant activities on a topic that help really build your knowledge. Learning is messy. It's not about you sitting back and me talking at you. It's you being curious, exploring the content, asking questions, participating in activities. It's you really getting into each topic in a variety of different ways. This makes it hard because it's not a linear path. But ultimately, we're in it together because 40 brains are better than one brain. And right now, you're at 0%. I often get asked, where did I lose marks? And I want to shift this conversation because I'm not here to take anything away from you. When you start a course, you haven't really done anything. So you're all equal. You're all at 0%. And if you work hard and do the different assignments, you can earn your way all the way up to 100%. So a little bit more about my career journey to date. Since 2015, my main day-to-day work is as a full-time professor of marketing and the head of the Digital Media Marketing Postgrad Certificate at George Brown College in Toronto. And since 2017, I've consulted to the Canadian Marketing Association on Canada's leading digital analytics online course. I've also worked selectively with other clients to facilitate seminars and speak about brand building using digital marketing, marketing analytics, content marketing, and social media marketing. Now, prior to shifting my career to the learning side of marketing, I started working agency side in 2005 in client service, where I planned and managed integrated marketing campaigns that use both traditional and digital media and helped manage very early on website 1.0 builds. Then, after completing an MBA, I worked in brand marketing for over 10 years across different industries and organizations, from large globally traded consumer goods companies to national not-for-profit working in sustainable cities. Now, these organizations were very diverse, but the common thread was working with these organizations that really wanted a business-minded marketer who was consumer-obsessed and who really understood how digital marketing communication worked. So, 3 things you need to know about me as a person. First, I'm an INTP. If you've ever done Myers-Briggs, you'll have an idea of what these letters mean. In the case of an INTP, this means only 3% of the population is like me. One profile characterizes this personality type as the ingenious problem solver, another says I'm your secret weapon. Either way, I'm naturally more analytic-minded by nature. My favorite number is 6. This is the number that my now wife and I each wore when we met playing varsity water polo at Carleton University. And third, riding bicycles makes me endlessly happy. I love exploring gravel roads, dirt trails, and cities, all pedaling a bike. And when it all comes down to it, at the end of the day, I'm a marketing nerd and a lifelong learner of marketing. So, for better or for worse, you are part of this journey with me. I welcome you, and let's have fun learning about marketing together.